We are excited to introduce our AI assistant to help you create text content quickly for your website. Simply choose any text on your site and select the AI content assistant from the dialog that appears. Here, we will use the prompt, the amazing new AI assistant that helps you create text content in the 543 DIY website builder, to help us create 2 headings and paragraph text for this page on our site. It's as simple as choosing the type of text you want, giving it your prompt and letting the AI do the rest. Take some time to check and edit the text, and just like that, you have your headings and body text ready to go. If you have any questions about the AI assistant, don't hesitate to contact us, or let us know if you'd like us to build you a site and set up your content for you.